In a world where the bond between humans and their pets grows ever stronger, pet owners are constantly on the lookout for ways to enhance their furry companions' lives. DIY pet projects have emerged as a delightful solution, merging creativity and functionality while deepening the connection between owner and pet. From toys to cozy beds, the possibilities are endless, and each project is an opportunity to express love and care through hands-on activities. One of the most popular DIY projects among pet owners is creating interactive toys. Cats, for instance, are known for their playful nature, and a simple yet effective toy can provide hours of entertainment. A feather wand can be easily crafted using a sturdy stick, some string, and feathers. Simply tie the feathers to one end of the string and attach the other end to the stick. This toy not only engages a cat's hunting instincts, but also encourages exercise, which is essential for their health. To elevate the fun, consider adding bells or crinkly materials to the feathers, creating more sensory stimulation. For dogs, puzzle toys can be a fantastic way to keep their minds sharp and active. A DIY treat dispensing puzzle can be made from a muffin tin. Place treats in some of the cups and cover them with tennis balls or other small toys. Your dog will have to figure out how to remove the balls to access the treats, providing both mental and physical stimulation. This project is not only easy to create, but also customizable based on your dog's size and skill level. When it comes to creating cozy spaces for our pets, a DIY pet bed can transform any corner of your home into a sanctuary for your furry friend. An old sweater or blanket can be repurposed into a plush bed. Simply cut the sleeves off a sweater and sew the bottom shut, leaving the neck hole open. Fill the sweater with soft stuffing or old pillows, and you have a unique bed that carries the comforting scent of its owner. For a more structured option, consider using wooden pallets to create a raised bed. Sand down the edges for safety, and paint or stain it to match your home decor. Add a soft cushion on top, and your pet will have a stylish and comfortable place to rest. Another engaging project is creating homemade pet treats. Not only does this allow you to control the ingredients your pet consumes, but it also provides a fun activity for you and your pet to enjoy together. A simple recipe for peanut butter dog treats requires just 3 ingredients: whole wheat flour, peanut butter, and water. Mix the ingredients together, roll out the dough, and cut it into fun shapes using cookie cutters. Bake them until golden, and you'll have a batch of delicious, healthy treats that your dog will adore. For cats, consider making tuna treats by mixing canned tuna, egg, and whole wheat flour, then baking them into bite-sized morsels. For those who enjoy gardening, creating a pet-friendly garden can be a rewarding venture. Many pets love to explore the outdoors, and having a dedicated space for them can enhance their experience. Consider planting catnip, which many cats adore, or creating a small dog-friendly area with safe plants like rosemary and thyme. You can build raised beds or create a fenced-in area where your pets can roam freely without the worry of them getting into trouble. Adding pathways made of stones or mulch can create a sensory-rich environment for your pets to explore. Another engaging DIY project is making a personalized feeding station. This can be as simple as repurposing an old wooden crate or a piece of furniture. By sanding it down and painting it in your preferred color, you can create a stylish feeding station that fits seamlessly into your home. Add 2 bowls for food and water, and consider elevating the bowls to a comfortable height for your pet. Not only does this enhance their dining experience, but it also helps prevent strain on their necks. For those who enjoy crafting, creating personalized pet collars or bandanas can be a fun way to showcase your pet's personality. Using fabric, you can sew or tie-dye a bandana that reflects your pet's style. For collars, consider using sturdy webbing and adding embellishments like patches or charms that represent your pet's unique traits. Not only will your pet look adorable, but you'll also have a one-of-a-kind accessory that no one else has. For the more adventurous pet owners, building an agility course in the backyard can be a thrilling project. Using PVC pipes, you can create jumps, tunnels, and weave poles. This type of setup not only provides physical exercise, but also strengthens the bond between you and your pet as you train together. Start with simple obstacles and gradually increase the difficulty as your pet becomes more confident. This project is not only a source of fun, but also an excellent way to keep your dog fit and mentally stimulated. Lastly, consider creating a scrapbook or memory box dedicated to your pet. This project allows you to capture and cherish the moments you've shared. Include photos, paw prints, and notes about their personality and milestones. This not only serves as a keepsake for you, but also creates a meaningful way to celebrate your pet's life and the joy they bring. DIY pet projects are more than just activities. They are expressions of love and creativity that enhance the lives of our furry companions. Whether it's crafting toys, building cozy spaces, or creating personalized items, each project offers an opportunity to engage with our pets in meaningful ways. As you embark on these projects, remember that the time spent together, the laughter shared, and the joy of creating something special are what truly enriches the bond between you and your beloved pet. So gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and let the adventures begin. Your furry friend will thank you for it.